What's going on, everyone? Mitesh here, and I've tried a lot of true wireless earbuds so far, but I haven't tried any of them with noise canceling built in. But that's going to change today, because today I've got these right here. These are the Edifier TWS NB active noise canceling true wireless earbuds right here, and I'm super excited to check these out because, like I said, I haven't tried any true wireless earbuds with active noise canceling built in, and I'm excited to try these out. Today, I'm going to do with you guys a quick little unboxing so you guys can see what you guys get inside of these, and then give you guys a first impression. So I'm going to take a little listen to these, and then of course try out the active noise canceling to let you guys know how it is. Just first impressions here. I will of course be doing a full review of these coming up soon, so hit me up in the comments with anything that you want to know about these in the review. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing. Okay, so let's get to unboxing things. So let's start off by taking off some of this. I gotta say, I really like this box. It's just so clean and nice. Like, look at this thing. Just absolutely gorgeous packaging right here. So let's just go ahead and slide this out. Ooh, look at those right there. Oh, they're a little bit bigger than I thought they would be, but there we go. That's what they look like. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Weird foam padding thingy. There's the case. Ooh, okay. This is a much larger case than I thought it would be as well. It is all metal. We got some LED lights right there, USB-C port. Check. This case is nice. Okay, let's get these earbuds out of here and let's take a look at these. These are significantly larger than I thought they would be. Like, these are not small earbuds. Now for comparison, let me go ahead and bring something else in here. Now for comparison, we got this thing right here. This is the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro, and just check out this case. This thing, it's significantly bigger, but it's just a matter of it being longer. It's not too much thicker, which I really like that. Now in terms of earbuds, this thing is a whopping big one. Now, I think these are actually relatively big as well, the Soundcore Liberty Pro 2s. And in terms of size, like, they're somewhat equivalent. I just think the Edifiers are just a little bit bigger. But they do have this nice button on top, which I really like. I like having the physical buttons, especially when they're put on top like this. I don't like the ones that are over here because they force you to jam it inside your ear. But this one up here at top means that you can just push it anytime you want without worrying too much. And it seems like they have a light over here. Let's just go ahead and get these inside of this box so we can see what it's all about. So this is the right one. There we go. It's the left one. So we got them both in there. Oh, look at that. It's a nice little clasp, and you can, I don't know if you guys can see it, there's a little red LED indicator in there. You guys should be able to see it there. So that means it's charging. So let's go ahead and let them charge up here for a second. Get inside of this box. So inside of this is what I'm gonna guess is probably a charging cable. Yep, USB-A to USB Type-C cable. And we've got some... Alright, so we've got some extra ear tips and some wings. And then we got some more ear tips. Oh, these are actually foam right here. These are foam ear tips, so that's always great to see. These are the standard silicone type, and then of course we got a couple extra set of wings. So glad. I really like seeing wings. Wings are great for keeping these things inside your ear, so I'm happy this thing has it. And then foam ear tips are just the best. Alright, so next up we're going to pair these to my phone. So we're going to open this up. That should turn on the earbuds. I'm going to go into Bluetooth here. Pair device, and let's see if we can find these. I don't know if we have to take them off the case. Let's just go ahead and take them out of the case first. I think that'll actually trigger them to turn on. There it is. You guys can see Edifier TWS NB. Oops, clicked the wrong thing. Let's actually connect to the right thing. Allow access. Yes, pair. And bam, they're paired up. Now what's cool is this actually does have an app, so let me go ahead and pull that up as well. Product successful compared. There we go. And then there you guys go. You can see the earbuds. You can see a % battery. Those are a little small. I'm trying to see if they have an EQ, and I'm not seeing it. So it's a chance they don't have like an EQ you can set. That would have been nice to see, but for now, I guess that's what it is. All right, so let's go ahead and just test out these earbuds. All right, guys, so I've tried these out for a little bit, and I'm going to tell you guys some of my first impressions. First of all, this box is straight up amazing. It's boxy, it's metallic, and I love it. I'm not sure it's the most practical thing. It is a significantly big box, but it does fit in my pocket just fine. Obviously, if you have some tight jeans on, you're not going to be able to wear this, but you know what? I really like the box, at least just in terms of look, and definitely the fact that it's made out of metal means it's going to be really durable. So yeah, that is something. Now, let's talk about the earbuds themselves. Also, this opening mechanism, fantastic. It is just the right amount of weight to it. I love it. Now, the earbuds do take a bit to get out of this. Like, it's just not simple to get them out, but that is what it is. I did switch out the wings for the larger pair because I find that fits better. So these wings actually grip onto the bottom part of the ear, which I'm not used to, but for me, they have worked pretty well. Let me go ahead and get these in so I can show you guys. This is the proper technique of getting them in. By the way, if you guys don't know, you should pull up on your ear a little bit and to get them in. Now, as you guys can see, they do stick out a little bit from my ears. They are some relatively large earbuds, but they do seal out sound pretty well, especially if you get the right ear tips for yourself. For me, they're doing a really good job of just blocking out some of that ambient noise. Now, I have had a chance to test out the noise cancellation. It works. I just don't know how good it is yet. Now, I'm going to try it out in some more situations, especially with like trying out like airplane background noises. Right now, it's not a great time to fly. I'm sure you guys know why it's not a great time to fly. So I'm not going anywhere right now, so I won't be able to test these out on a plane, but I am going to try these out around the house. Like, I have noticed that when I have these on and the heating is going on, I can not hear that at all. So far, I think the noise cancellation is pretty good. Now, for the ambient noise, where it lets the sound in, I found that to be pretty good as long as you're not listening to music. If you're listening to music, I do find that it doesn't help out as much. Though I was trying to talk to my wife, who was about 9 feet away from me, and I had some music playing, and I could barely hear her over the music. So I had to pause the music. After that, I could hear her completely clearly, even though, like I said, these do seal pretty well. So the ambient noise reduction works, but if you're listening to something pretty loud in your headphones, it still may not help out that much. I do find that the ambient noise feature actually works really well in the fact that it sounds really natural. It doesn't sound like everything's just like magnified. It actually sounds really natural. So it is better than some of the other earbuds I've tried that have had these features, but yeah, it's not amazing. So I will definitely be trying these out a lot more. Let's talk about sound quality. Now, in terms of sound quality, these things sound really good. The one thing I have noticed is that these things are really low end heavy. So if you're someone who likes bass, you are going to like these earbuds. That bass is kicking and it is really good. Like, seriously, if you listen to hip hop, trap, whatever, these things are really good for it. Now, I do need to, of course, do a lot more thorough testing, so we will see. Oh, the other thing I want to talk about was controls. So controls, like I said, I really like the fact that they have the button at the top. I really like that. I don't like the ones where you have to jam it in your ears. I actually even prefer this over touch controls because it's just out of the way. You can just quickly touch it without having to, really do anything. So I like that. The buttons are pretty nice. One thing that I don't like is the fact that they don't have all the controls. So they have no volume control on these, and that kind of sucks. Now, to switch between the noise canceling modes, you just double tap on this one, and noise cancel is now on. Turn it on again, and now I've got ambient noise on. And when the ambient noise turns on, like I said, I can hear myself really clearly when it's on. So that's nice. And then you can double tap one more time to just have everything turn off. So yeah, that is how that works. But like I said, they have no volume control at all on these, and that's kind of disappointing, especially considering they even have an app, which, by the way, the app doesn't really let you do much. It doesn't let you do any sort of equalization. It doesn't let you have any control over the noise cancellation to like whether to turn it up or down, anything like that. The only thing the app allows you to do is maybe turn on noise cancellation or turn on ambient noise and then just check the battery percentage. So yeah, that is a little bit disappointing considering they have a full app, but they just don't let you do much with these earbuds. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the first impressions of these. I'm really looking forward to checking these out, like putting them through all the paces to see how these are, because right now, I really like these. Like, these look amazing to me. I'm just a sucker for boxy, angular shapes, and these just hit it there. So yeah, I'm super excited to check these out. You guys can expect a review out here hopefully soon. I've got a bunch of other videos that I'm working on, so definitely stay tuned so you guys don't miss out on any of those. But yeah, with that, that's pretty much it for this video. Like this one if you liked it, subscribe if you guys loved it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!